Did you know your brain has a secret on switch for creativity? I found it, and I'm about to show you exactly how to flip it. What if those genius aha moments aren't random at all? Scientists discovered they're controlled by specific brain frequencies, theta waves at 4 to 7 Hz. These waves dominate during deep relaxation and daydreaming, where brilliant ideas smash together and novel connections form. I'm giving you 3 techniques to activate this on command. This is science you can actually use. But here's what nobody tells you. You can't access creativity when your nervous system is stuck in fight or flight. Chronic stress locks your brain in high alert beta waves, 12 to 38 Hz, the problem-solving state. While necessary for focus, excess beta waves kill creativity. Your brain has gears. For creativity, we need 2, theta waves for wild, dream mode insights, and alpha waves for calm, judgment-free focus. But if you're chronically stressed, you're locked out of both. That's why healing your nervous system comes first. Top coaches recommend the Gupta Program because it's science-backed neuroplasticity training that calms your stress response. It guides your body back into balance, allowing your brain to naturally drop into alpha and theta states. Without this foundation, these techniques won't work. The Gupta Program integrates cognitive, somatic, and mindfulness tools to rewire your brain's danger alarm. It creates the solid baseline you need. You'll find the link in the description. Now let's get into the 3 techniques. Technique 1, the 1-minute nap. Salvador Dali used this hack. He'd nap holding a metal key. The second he fell asleep, the key would drop, wake him up, and he'd capture the theta wave idea. Here's how. Grab something noisy, a spoon or keys. Sit comfortably and hold it. Let your mind go completely blank. As you start falling asleep, your hand goes limp, the object drops, and boom, you wake right at the theta peak. Write down whatever insight just hit you. Don't judge it. Just capture it. Technique 2, the 10-breath focus. This activates pure alpha waves. Breathe in for 4 seconds, out for 6 seconds. Do this exactly 10 times. This rhythm silences mental noise and drops you into relaxed alertness. Once you feel that calm, ask your brain one specific question: how do I solve this? Or what's the next step? Then wait. An answer will pop in with surprising clarity. Don't force it. Just receive it. Technique 3, the capture loop. This is the most important technique. An idea not written down is an idea thrown away. Your brain is a generator, not a filing cabinet. It creates but doesn't store. Put a voice note app on your phone's home screen. The second an idea strikes, tap and talk. Say 3 messy sentences and give it a title. That's it. This trains your brain to send more ideas because it knows you're listening. Avoid these mistakes. First, if you use binaural beats, keep them quiet. They should gently guide your brain waves, not overwhelm them. Second, stop multitasking. Close those 50 browser tabs. Cognitive overload prevents deep thinking. Focus on one thing at a time. Third, if you don't capture ideas, your brain stops sending them. You're teaching it that creativity doesn't matter. Don't do that. Here's your recap. Creativity isn't random. It's a button you can press. Use the 1-minute nap to tap theta waves for deep, weird insights. Use the 10-breath focus for alpha wave calm and clarity. And always use the capture loop or you'll lose everything. But remember, you must heal your nervous system first. Without that foundation, you'll keep hitting a wall. The Gupta Program and other free resources are linked below to help you build that base. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button so more people find their creativity switch. Subscribe for more brain upgrades on neuroplasticity and conscious creation. So to conclude, stop waiting for ideas to find you. Creativity is already in your head. I just gave you the user manual. Now flip the switch. Your next brilliant idea is waiting.